Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Swarna from Crochet with Swarna. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I will teach you how to make bubble stitch. Here I am using 4 mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of crochet hook according to your yarn size. First we will make a slip knot and insert your hook in the slip knot. Then we will make a foundation chain according to even numbers. You must make chains according even numbers. After finishing the chains, we will do single crochet all over the chains in first row. It's a very simple process which video already in my channel. If you want to, you can check it out. After finishing all the single crochet, we do a chain and turn it. Now in the first stitch we will do a single crochet again. Then in the next stitch we will do 5 double crochet together. First yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull through, then pull through to the 2 loops. We will do it 4 more times. Now we have 6 loops on our hook and pull through yarn all over the 6 loops. Now we will do a single crochet in the next stitch. Here our bubble form. Now you can do until you get your desired length. By repeating the same pattern, one single crochet, then the next stitch 5 double crochet together. Thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Until the next time, see you guys. Love you.